Hello guys. I present to you Panda Games Tutorials. Let me show you how to hack Lootboy and get a lot of free diamonds. First, enter pandagames.org to your web browser. Then search Lootboy in our search bar. Scroll down and tap the Get Free Diamonds button located on the bottom of the post. Now search for Lootboy Injector tool. You need to submit your in-game username from Google Games or App Center and wait for Injector to begin diamonds injection process. In order to get your diamonds, you will need to verify injection by completing promotional offers. Choose one from the list and read the instructions on how to finish it successfully. It is 100% safe, so you can rest assured you will easily add those resources into your game anytime you need them. Grab your first bundle today and experience the best gaming with unlimited diamonds whenever you want them. When you are done with offers, restart Lootboy and wait for diamonds to load up on your account. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Enjoy!